Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Airbnb, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by identifying your monthly income. Calculate your essential expenses such as rent, utilities, and groceries. Set aside a portion for savings or emergency funds. Determine how much you can allocate specifically for Airbnb hosting. Research the average nightly rates in your area. Identify your target audience and the type of guests you want to attract. Factor in additional expenses like cleaning, maintenance, and utilities. Evaluate any fees associated with the Airbnb platform. Create a projected monthly income based on expected bookings. List all potential expenses and compare them to your projected income. Establish a price point that covers your costs and remains competitive. Adjust your budget based on seasonal trends and local events. Track your income and expenses closely each month. Use budgeting software or apps to maintain your financial overview. Reassess your budget regularly to ensure it aligns with your hosting goals. Stay informed about changes in the Airbnb marketplace. Make adjustments to your pricing as needed based on occupancy rates. Consider offering discounts during off-peak times to attract more guests. Engage with your guests to enhance their experience and generate positive reviews. Continuously evaluate your performance and make improvements where necessary. Stay committed to your financial goals while enjoying the hosting process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.